Catalina in-store training. Today we're going to show you the Catalina system and how to keep your system operating properly. This is a Catalina monitor, the PC, and the switch that connects the printers on the checkout lanes to the Catalina PC. We will show you how to properly load the paper, ink, and troubleshoot the CMC6 printer. To check the printer status, go to the computer room where the Catalina PC is located. If a security screen is showing on the monitor, press the Alt and Escape key at the same time. That will bring you to the award screen. Press the F3 key to get the current printer status. If all the printers show ready, you're finished. For any issues, proceed to the indicated lane and use the troubleshooting steps covered in this video to resolve the problem. If you are able to correct the issue with the printer, go to the computer room and press F3 to verify the printer is in ready status. You may print test coupons from the PC to any lane. Press any key on the keyboard and tab over to the test coupon area. The test coupon area is located in the bottom right hand corner of the monitor. Use the tab key to move the cursor to the test coupon field. Enter the lane number you would like to test and press enter. The supplies for the Catalina printer include the paper and ink that can normally be found at the register, customer service station, or in the manager's office. The ink comes in a green carton that has coupon printer ink on the box and holds 10 cartridges. The paper comes in a white box that says inkjet coupon paper and holds 18 rolls. When the printer runs out of paper, you will hear beeping and the paper out indicator light will turn red. Open the door by pressing down on the gray lever, remove any remaining paper, and remove the small plastic core. When you have located a new roll of paper, find the seal, tear the paper at an angle, insert the roll into the compartment, once loaded, the paper will automatically feed and the paper will be cut off. The beeping will stop and the red indicator light will go out. To clear a paper jam, open the paper door by pressing down on the gray lever on the left-hand side of the printer. Remove the roll of paper, look inside, and remove any paper that is stuck inside. Place the paper back into the printer and close the door. Press the square reset button on the bottom left-hand corner of the printer. Hold the button for 5 seconds or until the power starts flashing off and on and the printer will reset. When the printer runs out of ink, you will hear a beeping noise and the ink indicator light will be red. To remove the ink cartridge, open the ink door on the front of the printer. Remove the empty ink cartridge and discard according to your store's recycling guidelines. Obtain a new, unused ink cartridge and remove it from the plastic packaging. You will notice the top will be blue and there will be an arrow showing to insert into the printer. Gently insert the cartridge into the printer and slide it in approximately 3/4 of the way until stopping. Do not force the ink cartridge as it will insert the rest of the way once the ink door is closed. The printer will stop beeping and the ink indicator light will turn off when the process is completed. We want to remind you that we do not replace ink cartridges until the printer indicates that it is out of ink, and we do not replace ink cartridges for poor print quality. When you have a print quality issue, you will utilize the ink cleaning utility that is built into the printer. Here's an example of poor print quality. Press the square reset button on the front left-hand corner of the printer. Hold it in for 5 seconds or until the power light flashes off and on and the printer will reset. Press and hold the round A3 second button until the printer light begins flashing. The sounds heard are normal. Depending on the level of cleaning needed for the printer, the time to complete the cleaning cycle will vary from 1 to 4 minutes. Once the cleaning cycle is completed, the power light will return to its normal state. You may find it necessary to repeat this process up to 5 times to achieve the desired print quality. Once again, you will need to reset the printer by pressing the square reset button on the front bottom left corner. After every cleaning cycle, you will have to do a test print. To print a test coupon from the printer, press down on the back of the cover and remove it. Press the black self-test button using a pen. This will produce a modified test print. You can also do a test print from the PC. Please see the training section on checking the printer status at the PC. Please remember to replace the back of the cover of the printer once completed. The printer has no power. There will be no lights on the front of the printer. Trace the black power cable from the back of the printer to the power brick and make sure it is plugged into a live power outlet. If that does not resolve the power issue, you will need to remove the back cover by pressing down and pulling back on the top of the cover. Please check to see that all the cables are properly seated. Once all the cables are properly seated, please remember to replace your cover. Thank you for watching. After you have exhausted all troubleshooting at store level and there is still a problem with the printer, call the Catalina Help Desk at 888-826-8766.